Hello all and welcome back to my channel nomadicujjwal. So in this video I am going to explain you step by step process how you can update your SIN number status, which is from your study permit to a postgraduate work permit. So for the support of my channel and my motivation, if you have still not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. So in the browser you first need to write SIN number update online. So once you click on it, you will get the first link, which is like social insurance number and apply. You can just click on this, and this is the website from where you can apply to change the status of your SIN number from a study permit to a postgraduate work permit. So when you just go down on this page, the first one is like to find out which documents you must provide, select the scenario that best describes your situation. So you are applying for yourself, so you need to click on this. Select your status in Canada, so you are a temporary resident. So student visa like student permit and the postgraduate work permit are considered as an temporary resident, so you need to select temporary resident. How would you like to apply? So this video is basically to apply for updating your status for the SIN from a study permit to a postgraduate work permit. So you need to select how would you like to apply. You would like to apply online. So now you can see like there is a documents required to apply. So they have provided the details of documents which are being accepted to change the status online. So the first one is the primary identity document. So the first primary identity document would be your work permit, which has been issued by IRCC. So the postgraduate work permit is your primary identity document. So before when you start filling this form, you should have the scanned copy of your postgraduate work permit. So just make sure about it. The second is the secondary document. So the secondary document can be any other Canadian government issued ID. As I'm in British Columbia, so we have the government issue ID is BC ID. So I will be uploading an BC ID as an government issued ID. The third is proof of an address. So it is again like it would be the same like the the government whichever have issued the ID should have the address. So like in my BC ID I have the address where I'm living right now, so it has also been considered as an proof of your address. The fourth is supporting documents. If the name or any document provided is different from the name on the SIN application, a legal document stating the most recent name used is required. So if there is any change in your name, like in document you have the different name, and when you are applying you have something different name, or you want something different name, then there should be an legal document. So this is again it's a supporting document. So if there is no changes, then you just have to upload these three documents. So primary identity document, secondary, and proof of address. So these are the three documents which you need to upload it. Once you have just gone through it, you need to click on apply online. So these all are the instructions for applying the SIN number. So you can, if you want to just go through it, you can just go through it, and or else you can just go down and you need to tick I agree to the terms and conditions of use. Then you can click on next. Once you click on next, you can just say that please note that you will have 45 minutes to complete this application. Should you not be able to complete it in allocated time, you will ask to discard this request and start a new one. So if you are unable to finish this application in 45 minutes, then you need to restart it again. So let's begin. So the first is application type. So you are going to change your status. Okay, so you have different options over here, like first social insurance number, update or correction to SIN record, confirmation of SIN, legal change of name, change of status, change of expiry date, verified partners, and other. So of course we are changing the status, so you need to click on change of status. So the first name as per the passport. So yes, so I will just write an example over here as per the passport. Family name at birth, so I'll be just writing the surname of my friend because I'm filling this for my friend, so I'll be writing his details over here. Other given names, you can just see like this, if there is a star, so it's an compulsory, like you need to mention the details over here, but there is no star over here, so like there is no other given name or there is no other family name, so you don't have to mention it anything. You can just write again like a family name, so family name is again your surname. So I will write the details of my friend over here. Date of birth, so you need to select the date of birth or whatever it is applicable to you, so you can just select it. Applicant's parent, so you need to write the applicant's parent detail. These also just make sure it should be as per the passport, so I will just write whatever details I have of my friend. So it's like telephone number, it's mobile number. So you can just see like again over here there is no, it's not compulsory, and so you don't have to provide anything like evening telephone number or something. Language of correspondence, of course it should be English. Applicant parents, like if you want to give any more details, like you can just mention over here. Applicant's gender, it will be male. Status, applicant status in Canada, so right now my friend have changed his status from a student to a work permit, but again as I told you, the work permit is also considered as a temporary resident, so to select temporary resident. Check if the applicant is a twin or triplet. Of course my friend is not a twin or triplet, so I will not do anything over here. Please indicate the type of primary identity document you will submit with your application. So of course I'll be uploading work permit, so you need to select the work permit. The next is the primary identity document expiry date, so I will just mention the expiry date of the work permit, which is on my friend's work permit. So next is applicant's birthplace, so yes, so accordingly like whatever it is on your passport, you can just select that. Are you a legal representative of an estate applying for an deceased individual? No, so you will just go ahead. Did the applicant ever have a SIN number? Of course my friend have a SIN number which is to be updated, so I'll just write this SIN number over here. So I'll just mention, just for safe side, I will not mention anything over here. Mailing address must match the address on your proof of address, so it should be the same address which is on your proof of address. So whatever it would be on the BCID, I need to mention it over here because the updated SIN document would be delivered on the same address which you will be providing over here. So I will just mention the address. So different, all of them have different like apartment number or something, or unit number or something, so accordingly you can just mention, like if I can do this. So apartment and suite number can be come over here, street name will come over here. You can just write city or town, it's Richmond. Country Canada. Province is British Columbia. And zip code, so zip code would be So after filling all the details, you need to go down and you can just check the privacy statement. If you want to check it, you can just click on I have read the privacy statement, click on next. So now you can say, are you applying for yourself? Yes, I am applying for myself. Print your name as per required. So whatever name you required, you need to write over here. So of course I will write as per the passport. So now you can see you need to upload the document. So you just click on the add files, choose, and accordingly whatever the document it is, like you can just select the documents and you can upload it over here. So once you upload it, and just like I would like to receive an email notification, so you can just click on it and you can just mention your address. So it's like I would like to receive an email notification once my application has been received by Service Canada and once it has been processed. So it is always better to click over here and just mention your email address, because it would be easy for you to track it. Like you will be having an update that the application has been received, and soon, like within 10 to 15 days, you will receive the updated SIN status and with the updated expiry date on it. So you can just mention your email address, you can confirm the email address. Again, you need to click over here, I certify the information provided on the application form is true, accurate and complete. Once you have done this, and just you need to submit it. That's it. Once you will submit it, you will get an confirmation message that your application has been submitted, and you will receive an the updated document within 10 to 15 days or 20 days. So it's like there is an just in confirmation message you will receive over here. So this is how you can easily update your SIN number status online. So as you can see, like it's very simple and easy process. You can just follow the steps and you just need to upload your documents and just submit the application, and within 15 to 20 days you will receive your updated SIN document with the updated expiry date on it. So the expiry date would be the same expiry date which has been mentioned on your postgraduate work permit. If you still have any doubts in this, if you still have any kind of problem in filling this form or any problems in documentations, kindly comment in the comment section. I will definitely I will reply you as soon as possible on your query, and whatever the doubts you have, I will surely reply you on it. If you are looking for a particular video and you want me to make a video on particular topic or something, kindly you can comment on the comment section and I will surely make sure that as soon as possible I can research on it and I can give you a full detail of a video or with all the details in it. To support my channel and for my motivation, if you have still not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and do share and like this video.